The jalapeno popper. Everybody loves it. But I'm going to take it and make it into a twist. A queso. And no, I'm not going to blend it in a blender. But I'm going to blend it with a wood spoon. Stay with me. Let's get this done. Alright, jalapeno popper queso time. That's green peppers with some of my pineapple chipotle seasoning, Mexican seasoning. I've got onions in it. So those were already chopped. I've got 2 blocks queso blanco Belvita, 3 blocks of cream cheese, shredded pepper jack, 2 packs of Gouda I'm gonna chop up. What else do I have in here? 2 packs of Kraft White American. Have to open them and slice it as slices and then chop it myself. I've got, let's say, 3 packs of cream cheese. I don't know if I did, but I did. Now, a can of cream of mushroom soup. I'm going to strain it, though, to get the mushroom chunks out and just use the cream part of it. And then we're going to put in a pint of milk. Throw it in the smoker. Smoke it. I got 3 pounds of bacon chopped for at the end to mix in. It's already been cooked. So we will go from there. I'm going to chop all this blocks of stuff up. You don't need to watch me do the fast video part of it. People just do it for extra video footage. I'm not going to do it this time. I got way too much to cook today, so I'll be back after I get all that done, show you all mixed up, whatever, not mixed up, but I'm using a big pan. I'll be right back. Final component. Jalapeno popper queso. Milk. This is a quart. I said a pint. It's about a pint. Look in the camera. I'm about a pint. What do you think? A little bit more? Yeah. I'm crazy like that. We'll go with that. Like I said, I don't want this thick and creamy. I want this more smooth and runny. Well, it's not going to be smooth with, chopped onions and peppers, but not thick like some restaurants make. I like my quesos like not runny, but smooth. So we'll go with this, see how this goes. I'm going to throw that bad boy in the big old smoker. And hopefully I don't need to add more milk. No, well, a little bit more. There we go. We'll see how that goes. These are all going to be short videos. I'm not going to do any long content today. I'm just bouncing around here and there, kind of like ADHD, without the medicine. So, get this in the smoker. Let this go, I don't know. Normally I do about 2 hours. Maybe 2 again, maybe 3, and cover it. It's a lot of cream cheese in there, 3 blocks this time. Want to make sure that stuff melts. Yeah, well, I will get this shut off, get the smoker opened up, get this in there, and maybe I just take you with me and we check on some meat out there too. Not that you could see that. Jalapeno popper dip. 3 pounds of bacon in it. Cheers. Oh man. You gotta try that. Oh, I can't wait to get the chips out for that. Oh, that is so good. Jalapeno popper dip. If you want the recipe, comment below. Hey, everybody. I know we're making jalapeno poppers, bacon wrap jalapenos, whatever you guys want to call them, ABTs, atomic buffalo turds. Yes, I've been doing them for 20 some odd years now, before they were a huge hit. But here's the deal. Turn it into a dip. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. I'll try to post the recipe in this. I'm not that great with all this technology stuff. Or you could just send me a private message through Messenger and I'll gladly tell you the recipe. But this was a huge hit. Instead of having to go through all the labor of making each individual one, I actually made a jalapeno popper dip. I smoked it like smoked queso. Oh, phenomenal. You got to make it.